Hi, I'm Jason, designated broker of SJC Management Group, and I wanted to thank you for your interest in our property management services. SJC Management Group is a residential property management company that focuses on helping clients like yourself rent out single-family homes, duplexes, triplexes, multiplex properties of various types. We only do residential property management, so we're not focused on managing HOAs or doing commercial or any of the other things that some companies do. This helps us be laser focused on helping our clients achieve their goal with their rentals. We are a family-owned company, and the company was started by my folks over 50 years ago, and I've been running the company for the last 20 years. Helping our clients achieve their goals is why we are in business. We handle all aspects of it being a rental, from the initial marketing, thoroughly screening and vetting tenants, getting the move-in done correctly with utility transfer, setup of a lease agreement, move-in condition report with photos, and then handling the aspects of it being a rental while the tenant is in there, which includes, but is not limited to, overseeing maintenance, making sure that things are dealt with in a timely manner, but also a cost-effective manner for our clients. Trying to triage things before sending out someone, for instance, a GFI outlet that may not be working. We can walk the tenant through how to reset that before we send somebody out. We also will be doing a routine walkthrough inspection and sending you a report so you can see how the tenant is keeping the property. And this is done before we need to make a decision about offering a lease renewal to the tenants. Typically, properties are rented out annually, meaning that there is a one-year lease in place, and that before the expiration of the lease, we do, by Washington state law, need to post a notice informing the tenant of the upcoming expiration of the lease. If there's going to be an increase in the rent, there is a time frame depending on where that property is located, as different locations have different rules of what that time frame is. And all of that would be discussed with you at the time of the lease renewal being due. We would then execute that lease renewal, making sure all the paperwork is done correctly and that everything stays compliant with the Landlord-Tenant Law Act. Ultimately, at some point when the tenant does vacate the property, we would send you another walkthrough report showing exactly what the property looks like, and if there is any corrective steps such as cleaning, repairs that may need to be done. We do hold the tenant's security deposit for those purposes, and we will oversee that work and coordinate that. Everything that we do is a fiduciary for our clients, meaning that our clients are the property owners, and they're our number one reason why we are in business. The customer, the tenant, is very important, and their satisfaction is important, but it's important because it helps the client. If tenants are happy and things are going well, then the property is going to be well cared for and the vacancy rate is going to be less for our clients. So what we're looking for is that double win, to where the tenant is happy with the service and that makes our client more profitable in the end. We'd love to have a conversation with you about your particular property and how we might be able to help you.